As the Bitcoin price is coming down to a very major area of support, we are printing a rare signal, which has not printed for a year. The last time we printed this signal, we saw an explosive move for Bitcoin. And so today we're going to be walking you through exactly what we can be expecting in the coming weeks and months. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. As you can see, I am currently in a Bitcoin long trade from the bottom of the range, and I'm still holding a short trade from the top of the range, a scalp trade that turned into more of a swing trade. Shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord because we gave this short setup in advance, and as you can see, we are still holding a portion of the trade, and we have locked in the juiciest profits along the way as we are taking these trades. So shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Now, let's talk about what is happening at the bottom of this range. All right, so let's look at this daily time frame right here. This is what I want to focus on most. Now, on Wednesday, I was live streaming and I was saying, if this market Cipher B can confirm a big BitBoy green dot on the daily time frame, this is a pretty powerful bullish signal. Why is this so bullish? Well, when you have a clear uptrend, which we have been in now since November 2022, what we have right here is something called a hidden bullish divergence. A hidden bullish divergence is when the price forms a swing low and then it makes a higher low. And as it makes a higher low in the uptrend, the momentum waves are getting lower over time. This is called a hidden bullish divergence. Now, when the hidden bullish divergence is accompanied by a big dot on market Cipher B, well, it's a very powerful signal. Let's take a look at the last time we printed this signal. It was back here in August 2023, as the price was making a higher low in the uptrend. The momentum waves were making a lower low from that last major swing low. And as you can see, when this is accompanied by a big BitBoy green dot on the daily, especially when that wave is oversold below the negative 60 line, most of the time it gives us a pretty powerful move to the upside. And so what we're looking at here is this. There is the potential that this is a massive bullish pennant on the daily time frame, where we have lower highs being made, and also we have higher lows now being made. And we are printing hidden bullish divergences, very oversold waves as we come to the bottom of this macro range right here. And so what I am currently looking at as a potential is a move back to the top of this range, potentially even going for these highs. Now, I want to lay out the different aspects and the different factors of this scenario here, because whenever we're talking about price action, whenever we're talking about investing or trading, we need to have certain factors, bullish factors and bearish factors, and weigh them together to see which side has a stronger case. This is how especially we enter into swing trades. So what are some bullish factors right here for a move to the upside on Bitcoin? Well, number one, we have the hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Number two, we have the big BitBoy green Armstrong green dot right down here on market Cipher B on the daily time frame. Number three, we have come down to the bottom of a macro range. And number four, we are in an uptrend that pretty much goes all the way back to November 2022. And you could even say number five, we have just had the Bitcoin halving happen a few months ago. And historically speaking, after the Bitcoin halving, we do get a significant breakout and follow through to a new high. So these are some bullish factors as to why I am getting bullish down at this area. Even though a lot of people are very bearish looking for lower, I'm starting to see bullish things on the chart. Now let's talk about the bearish factors here. Bearish factor number one, and I think the most powerful bearish factor, is a confirmed monthly bearish divergence as we are forming this pennant with no support to the downside on the monthly until we come all the way back down to retest these lows. All right, this is a scary proposition, especially if you have been buying Bitcoin at these levels, right? That is the bearish factor that I think cannot be ignored if we're looking to get bullish at the bottom of this range. And this is pretty much the only bearish factor that we have here, is that these high time frames are printing some pretty significant bearish divergences here as we come up to the top of this little range. But when we come down to the daily time frame, I do have to say that the high time frames do take a long time to play out. And I find it very improbable that this is the high for the market cycle. And if we want to wreck as many people as possible, which is what the market loves to do, then how perfect would it be to get everybody super bullish again, just like everybody's been super bearish down here, just to wreck everybody who's been shorting the whole way down, take all the liquidity that's above these highs, and then either get a big follow through to a new high or simply just play games again and continue in this little consolidation period. This signal on the daily time frame is not something to take lightly. All right, in hindsight, if we get a very large move from this, it will be very obvious to everybody that this is the big signal that has sparked the big move historically throughout the Bitcoin bull markets. And so therefore, I cannot disregard what I am seeing right here on the chart. And a lot of people are not ready for a big push to the upside because the sentiment has been quite bearish, at least in my echo chamber of YouTube and Twitter. And I guess everyone has a different echo chamber depending on your algorithm. All right. Now, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, my go-to exchanges are number 1, ByBit, number 2, MEXC, number 3, BingX. These exchanges do require KYC. If you do not want to KYC, I'm trading on ZOOMEX and BLOFIN. Also, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give juicy trade setups, and every single day we go over our trading ideas and our trading plans, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com and click the link to join the VIP Discord. That is going to be it for today's video, guys. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.